Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra S928B/DS is a remarkable smartphone that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with practical functionality. With its impressive 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, this device caters to both power users and casual smartphone enthusiasts alike. The dual SIM capability is a significant advantage for those who juggle personal and business numbers, allowing effortless switching without the need to carry multiple devices. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is its stunning 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display, which boasts a resolution of 3088 by 1440 pixels. This screen is not only vibrant but also offers exceptional color accuracy and brightness, making it perfect for streaming videos, gaming, or simply browsing through photos. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsive interactions, enhancing the overall user experience. The camera system on the S24 Ultra is truly impressive. With a quad-camera setup that includes a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and two telephoto lenses with 10MP and 50MP resolutions, the smartphone captures breathtaking images in various lighting conditions. The low-light performance is particularly noteworthy, allowing users to take stunning photos even in challenging environments. The addition of advanced AI features further enhances photography, providing users with the tools to create professional quality shots. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Exynos 2200 processor, ensuring speedy multitasking and app launches. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or using demanding applications, this device handles it all with ease. The battery life is commendable, with a robust capacity that supports all-day usage, and the fast charging feature is a welcome addition for users on the go. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra S928B/DS impresses with its premium build quality, cutting-edge features, and versatility. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a top-of-the-line smartphone that excels in performance, photography, and usability. This device truly sets a